Hello, my name is Puya. I'm here to talk about my research in a research method. The subject of my research is the optimal ARB cycle number of aluminum alloys without significant ductility loss. First of all, I should to introduce what's ARB. Accumulative roll bonding is a method for improved mechanical properties of metals like aluminum, titanium, magnesium, and different alloys. It's a cycle that I'm gonna to talk about one of them, and it could be happen more than one, or for example 2, 3, 4, and in the first step there is a plate that can be cut to two different pieces and put them together, and before that you should be do some kind of things like cleaning and wire brushing. After that, for preparing for roll bonding should be done, should be do walling, heating, and stacking. And after that, it's ready for roll bonding. After roll bonding, we have a plate that it could be happened from the first step, and it's a one cycle of roll bonding. But this is important for us ARB in this article because we want to find the optimal number of cycle that could enhance the strength of the aluminium while maintenance is ductility. The materials could be combined with the aluminium is titanium, magnesium, copper, and other things, and it's important for the industry because aluminum can use in different industries. Before I start talking about the experiment that show how we can find the optimal number of cycles, it's important to know different technologies can use in this experiment. One of them is TEM, transmission electron microscopy. It's a high-tech technology that I show here with the simple picture, and it shows how we can scan different properties of the materials. And another thing is EBSD. There is an electron beam that reflects from the polished sample on an EBSD camera, get this reflection and find the different properties of the materials. Another thing is tensile test. Tensile test is a old test to measure the strength of materials and something like that. Another test is vehicle micro hardness test. This test is for obviously for determine the hardness. And another microscope is SEM, scanning electron microscopy, another high-tech microscope in the world. This kind of technologies used in my experiment, and it's important to know in each cycle of ARB the thickness will decrease around 50% approximately, and it's used more and more to have a good thickness. In my experiment, there is a flow chart that shows my experiment. In my experiment, and in the first step, we should prepare aluminum sheets, clean sheets, ARB process, and now different tests that I explained. And after all of them, it's data analysis. We can do the cycles 1, 2, 3, or more than 3 times. And after data analysis, we can find the optimal ARB cycle, and it's end of the process. When we find the optimal number, we can achieve some advantages. The most important thing is when we find the optimal number, it shows that we can use less energy and have best mechanical properties, and it's so important. Another thing, a disadvantage, on the other hand, there are lack of knowledge for the high cycle analysis. Unfortunately, in most of the different research that I read, more than 6 cycles does not exist in researchers, so there are limited in high cycle analysis. Thank you for your attention. I hope it will be useful for everybody. Thank you.